This heart that beats is a machine. A machine which is the result of years of research, calculations, and prototypes. A sum of experience and an accumulation of a unique knowledge which has only one goal: the pleasure of listening. Experience the unique, intense moment of a sound so powerful that on first listening you will discover joy. This beating heart is a technological realization for expressing a musical masterpiece, the interpretation of an artist, at home while traveling, as if you were there in the very depths of sound. This beating heart will make your heart beat too. It's the heart of our machine. A loudspeaker designed and produced in France. A heart which pulses an energy, containing rare and precious metals, created thanks to science, physics, and engineering. A heart invented by men and women who cultivate a certain way of life. An engineering factory, precision, the search for perfection. It is here in this family factory that the young Jacques Maul carried out his first audiophile experiments, his first sound machines. Very quickly, solutions were revealed. Technical choices were established, such as the inverted dome tweeter and the multi-ferrite magnet. From this creative Big Bang were born the technological foundations of Focal. The Focal JM loudspeakers quickly won over the experts. The factory is learning, bit by bit, to produce a dream sound. New talent is needed. A new factory is also needed. It is here that Vega is born, a star which will send the brand into orbit around the world. It is voted Speaker of the Year in Japan. It is a consecration. The most technically advanced ranges succeed better than all the others. Focal is guilty of excellence, with its masterpiece, Utopia, aptly named. A folly, a dream, a monster of audacity and refinement. Jack English, a journalist with the famous American magazine Stereophile, said of it, "Grand Utopia could just as readily carry the mantle of most wonderfully musical loudspeaker I have ever heard." But the Focal sound is also setting off for a dream ride, discreetly hidden in the hollows of leather and paneling. Loudspeakers specially developed for cars increase the pleasure of travel. Power, responsiveness, flexibility, and refinement. Focal car systems are recognized as among the best in the world. Today, Focal is considered on a par with France's most prestigious brands, which provide pleasure, which push the demands for quality even further. An exclusive circle which has conquered the entire world, which continues to be made in France, where long ago, design and art joined together with technology and innovation, a maturity born of culture, work, and passion. This beating heart in recording studios, in luxurious cars, in the living rooms of the most demanding enthusiasts, is also a spirit, the spirit of sound, because we wanted to leave to no one else the task of letting you experience moments such as these.